Guys, I'll put his comment on screen right now so you can get his name and see what he said. So pretty much he was curious on how to use the timer, and that's what I'm going to be doing today. I'm going to be showing you guys how to use the timer, and yeah. So this is going to be a really fast, easy tutorial. It's probably going to be like 3 to 4 minutes, not very long, and it's very easy. So let's just hop in here. We're going to grab ourselves a timer, of course. Now just grab that like normal, then click it on your form. It won't show up on your form, but it'll show up down here. So yeah, don't worry, it's still good. And we're gonna grab ourselves a button. Sorry, 2 buttons. I don't know what happened there. We're gonna grab ourselves 2 buttons. Alright, so we're gonna rename the first one to start. There we go. And the second one to, you guessed it, stop. There we go. We are going to double click our first button, and we're going to do timer 1 dot start, and then put the little brackets. Very easy. Now go to the second button, and you probably guessed it again, timer 1 dot stop, and add brackets. So that will make the timer turn on and off, but the timer doesn't do anything yet. So at this point, I'm going to explain what the timer actually does. Pretty much the timer, when it's on, it just repeats a piece of code over and over and over again. So it'll activate that piece of code over and over and over and over. And you can change how fast the timer is. So like every 5 seconds or 10 seconds or 1 millisecond or 2 hours. It doesn't matter, any amount of time. So I'm gonna show you how to do that right now. So just click the timer one time. Don't double click it. Just click it once. Then go over here to the settings or the properties or whatever. Now, on the enable, that means if you enable it, that means when you start up the form, it's automatically going to be started. You don't have to click a button to start it. It'll just automatically be on. The interval means how like the time in between each time it runs code. So like 10 seconds, 10 milliseconds, anything. It's measured in milliseconds. So right now it's at 100 milliseconds. If you want it to be 1 second, you gotta put 1000. Every 1000 milliseconds equals 1 second. Alright, so I'm gonna leave it at 100 milliseconds, so it's really fast. And the rest of it, you don't really gotta worry about except for the name, but I'm sure you guys know that already. Okay, so that's how you do that. I'm gonna double click the timer itself right down here. Double click that, and this is where we're gonna want to put a piece of code. So for my example, what I'm gonna do is make the back color of the form, so all this right here, change different colors, like flash in between 2 different colors. So let's do that. We're gonna do me dot back color space equals color dot, we're gonna do purple. Actually, I made a mistake here. We're gonna do if, and then we need to end, or then, sorry. So if it does equal that, then me dot back color equals color dot let's do orange. Alright, and now we're gonna do else me dot back color equals color dot purple. Alright, so there we go. So I'll just quickly explain this right now. It's saying if the back color does equal purple, then make it orange. And if it doesn't equal orange, make it purple, so it'll flash in between both colors. So that's it. That's very easy. Not very much code, and it's very easy and simple to do. So we're going to start our program. And before I click this start button, oh, don't worry about that. Before I click this start button right here, I'm going to tell you guys, if you are sensitive to like flashing colors or flashing lights or anything like that, please shut off the video now. I don't want anyone to like get hurt or anything, so if you're sensitive to that type of stuff, please shut it off now. Alright, so if you're still here, let's do this. So click the start button, and there we go. It's flashing the 2 colors like we said, and the timer is running. Click stop, it'll stop. It'll stop on the color that you stop it on too. Alright, so now I'm just going to quickly show you the change in the time. Now, you can put this to 1 millisecond and it'll be a hell of a lot faster. Let's do it. There you go. It's very, very fast. And we could do 1 second. And it's going to be very slow. See? There you go. So that's how you use the timer. I hope this helped you out, whatever your name is. I'm sorry I forgot. But yeah, I hope it helped you out. And leave your comment on what you guys want to see next.